How to make money online with affiliate marketing in 2021. Okay, so we look at this new course called Midas Touch, and it deals with a big issue, a big challenge, a big problem faced by new affiliate marketers who have just got into the game, and it'll tell you about the problem and tell you a solution for it. Okay, so this is Nella Fernandez from Fitpreneurship. Stay tuned for it. Okay, so let us have a look and see what this Midas Touch is all about. Okay, so if you're looking at leaving the 9 to 5 and earning a full passive income online, even you can check my free training. The link is in the description, which will show you how to do that. Okay, and if you stick on till the end, I will show you some other videos where you can actually get free landing page builder and also start building your list, your email list. Okay, so stay tuned for that. So let's get on and see what this Midas Touch is all about. Okay, so it says join our ultimate newbie no selling system that we use to churn out commissions without having to spend a dime on traffic. Okay, so this is what Midas Touch is they're talking about. Okay, so let's have a look at there. Okay, so getting approval from vendors without any hassles, no email list required, no need to record yourself to make this work. Okay, 100% free, no technical skills, no further investment. Anyone can use the system, 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, so that's basically what it is. Now, if you do go through this video and you do see that it's for you and you do want to pick it up, you can try my link below, because with that you get various bonuses. Okay, so let's look at those bonuses before we proceed. Okay, a free affiliate course. So now, using Midas Touch, you can start into affiliate marketing, but a good course to train you how to actually do that effectively and correctly is my free $67 value bonus, which is a free affiliate course to access to that course. Then how to become an online entrepreneur, a free $97 value bonus out there, a hack into that. You can use Midas Touch and this effectively together. Okay. Now, how to start monetizing your Instagram account, a $247 value bonus, and an online business plan. How are you going to set up a business plan? So if you do not have a plan, you plan to fail. Okay, so how are you going to set that up? A $247 value bonus. And how to explore your YouTube channel. If you do have a YouTube channel and you want to really get that on steroids, a good bonus for that, a $197 value bonus, and altogether with some unannounced bonuses of over 1,600, my total bonus package is over $3,000. So you can get that by hitting the link below in the description, okay, which will take you to this page where you can click on any of these buttons, and it will take you to the page where you can pick this product up. Okay, yeah, that's the page. Okay. So it'll take you to this page, okay, and you can see out on this page what it says. This is the things I just read out to you earlier, all that, okay. And it's by Johnny and Saurabh. Okay, that's Saurabh and Johnny as well. So you can run through it and see what all it's talking about. Go through it at your own leisure and have a look. Until that time, we'll have a look at the product. We'll see what it is all about. Okay, what you get if you do intend picking it up, you can go through the testimonials also and check it out. Okay. Now, when you go, this is the back end of the product. This is what you get in case you do decide to pick it up. First is a welcome video. Then it talks about the biggest challenge faced by especially newbie affiliate marketers, and what is the biggest challenge and how they're going to look into overcoming it. Okay, so the whole training is about that, the biggest challenge that is being faced by many newbie marketers. Okay, so you can go through that and check it out, and then see this further, have a look at it. Okay, and then from there it will tell you how you can overcome this challenge. Okay, getting your power link, conversion booster, building your list of hungry buyers, various case studies, how people have used this and actually got results, how to get free traffic as well, and a case study on that. Okay, in case you want to use paid traffic, you can do that as well, and there are various upgrades and bonuses also coming up. Okay, so a lot of different things with this, and something which you would definitely, as a, if you're a newbie to affiliate marketing and you want to get into it and get ahead with it, you can take the start up this course, and this will definitely help you out. Okay, and let's look at the pricing structure in case you want to pick it up. Okay, the front end version is $12.95, which will give you training. Okay, the full training. Then pro version will give you some advanced training. Okay, that's a $37 product. It's a one-time offer of $37. That's the pro version. Then you have the licensing bundle where you can get 100% seller rights to various other products as well. Okay, Midas Touch, Aerial Assassins, List Laureate. So these are various other affiliate products where you can sell them as your own and get 100% commissions on that. So you something which is if as a new affiliate marketing, you might want to consider doing that. And then if you're looking at personal coaching, it's a $197. Now you have downsells also in case you decide. If you click on you do not want it, probably you'll get downsell as well, so you can avail of that, and a 30-day money back guarantee. So in case you find that it's not for you, you can always return it. Okay, and even if you do purchase this front end version, which is $12.95, you will get all these bonuses that I promised, which is over $3,000 in value. So something you might want to pick it up with my link below. And if you do pick it up, you get a receipt from Warrior Plus, which is something like this. With the green button give you access to the product, and the blue button give you access to these bonuses which I talked about, which are over $3,000. So stay tuned for my other videos on how you can get a free landing page builder and how you can start email marketing. Okay, so stay tuned for them. And if you did like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment if you wish, hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos, and see you in the other videos. Take care.